What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do some scratch art yet again, but it's actually a tip I want to give you. So, I came across this a few weeks ago, actually bought a couple. So, this is Scratch Postcard, and it says scratch off and make your own unique postcard, which I think is really nice. Instead of going to a shop and paying ridiculous prices for a birthday card. But anyway, what I like about this comes in four different shapes. Okay, so we have got one that says fortune, happy, innocence. I don't know who I'm gonna give the innocence card to because they're not innocent. And then brilliant. But let me show you. I mean, guys, how cool is this? I love it. And at the back, it shows you exactly, what you will be getting in this. And I like the fact that you get four. That's awesome. I paid 35 Rand for this. A normal birthday card, it's like 55 Rand. And for me, this it's much more personal than buying a normal postcard birthday card from like a shop. This is postcards, but I mean you can use it as a birthday card. I mean, I just think it's gonna be a lot more special to the person you're giving this to. And I've got a lot of people in my life who has had their birthday in November, and we still got four more to go. Can you believe it? So that's why I'm gonna do this. So let's start with the first one. So this is happy. Hope you guys can see that. Very cool. The second one is brilliant. It looks like a girl floating in like an air balloon or something. And then the tricky one, innocence. Maybe I should give it to the least innocent person I know whose birthday is coming up. That would be fun. And then the last one is fortune. I think this is my favorite. There we go. So, if you have never heard about scratch arts, I do recommend giving it a try. But start off small. Get a small one like this. It's really cheap. And the thing is, I've done a couple of A3s. Okay, you tend to get bored after a while, or you're over it, and you just want to get it over with. And then you end up making mistakes. The end result doesn't look that awesome. So first try out a small one. From there, if you do enjoy it, you can start going bigger and bigger and bigger. I'm not too sure how big you can go. A4, you get A3. I have not seen bigger than that, but I'm pretty sure you do get bigger ones. And then you will be needing a stylus, which is almost never included, with the indies. So I made my own. And it looks like this. So this is one of the stylus I got from one of my diamond art projects. I got like literally 15 of these things, eh? But anyway, so I took a skewer stick, jammed it all the way up here, and it works perfectly. My grip's good, it's stable, it doesn't slip. So, but if you do not have this lying around, I think you can take like a normal pen, just take out the ink, and then shove the skewer stick in there and start having fun. But I want to demonstrate on how to do this. It's so easy, guys, but I still want to show you because it is fun. Just want to point out, so you will only be scratching the blue, okay? Leave the black alone. That's supposed to be black. Just scratch where the blue shows, and that way you're going to reveal different colors behind this blue cover. So I'm going to do fortune, and I'm going to film while doing it, just to give you guys an idea, and maybe this will convince you. Give it a go, and maybe you end up enjoying it so much this will be a hobby for you. That's going to be great. And one of these I do today, so I have to get one done now, but it's so small. I think it will probably take me 15 minutes, but I'll show you guys how I'm going to do it, and you are going to follow me on my journey. And then afterwards I will write a really nice little message. I don't know if you guys can see it, I'm so sorry. So like I said, it's actually a postcard, but I mean, you can convert this into a birthday card. So guys, let's get started, and we are going to do fortune. Can't wait for the end result of this. So let's get started. there we go, guys. As easy as that. As I would say this took me at the most 20 minutes. And this is what we ended up with. I'm not too sure if you can see the variety of color. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. And as you guys saw before we started, it's a massive improvement, from the blue that was covering the different colors. And for relaxation purposes, so amazing. I love doing stuff like this, guys. That's why I'm constantly on the lookout for anything to do with hobbies, because I want to try everything. I think it's kind of an addiction now, constantly on the hunt for new hobbies or DIYs or stuff like that. I can't even remember when last I did a toy review or a doll review or a robot review. I've been so caught up in this whole hobby thing, but I will definitely get back to that, especially now approaching Christmas. I would definitely make a video recommending what you can buy your kid. But as far as this goes now, for me, this will be so much better to give, along with your present to someone in your life by doing this first of all, and then, writing a nice little message at the back, creating your own little stamp you can put in there, even if it's a little heart that you cut out and just placed on there. Endless possibilities. So give it a try, guys. If you've never heard about scratch art before, you generally get them, in your stationery stores, but I tend to get my stuff from the general stores, which sells a lot of fake stuff, but I still love it. So that's where I get my scratch art from. And I wouldn't necessarily call this any type of fake. It's just more affordable. I think maybe the price difference is because they don't include any type of stylus. But like I showed you guys before, you can make your own one. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Maybe this is gonna encourage you to get creative with that someone special in your life. But anyway, so fortune is done. So now I've got about 3 more to go. But at least, this one is done. And I hope you guys enjoyed the illustration I did. And like I said, it's very straightforward. All you need to style is and have fun. And relax while you're doing it. If you need to take a break, do it. Don't rush it. But anyway, guys, I will see you in my next one.